Trust me when I tell you it gets better. Hold on. Hi there, crafty friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited. I got a really affordable piece on Amazon for my craft room. I was so sick and tired of the little white table that I had previously. I mainly use it when I'm pressing shirts. I have my HTV raw auto heat press on there. I just really wanted something reliable, sturdy, and something that had wheels. That was very important for me. Also, nothing too bulky because as you all know, my craft room is not huge. It's a medium-sized room, so I can't have too bulky furniture here. And of course, it being white kind of matches my whole furniture here in my craft room. So I am so excited to show you guys all the details. I'm gonna have my fiance Oscar help me build everything. Assembly was extremely easy. It only took him about 25 to 30 minutes max by himself, with no power tools whatsoever. He just used the tools that came inside the box, which is extremely convenient. And of course, per usual, if you're in love with this table as much as I am, I'll make sure to leave you guys the exact link to my Amazon storefront in the description below. Trust me when I tell you, this is for all the crafters that really need a very sturdy craft table but don't have the space for huge furniture. Keep on watching. I also really want to apologize for the lighting in this YouTube video. It goes from really bright and at the end of the video it'll go really dark. My apologies, I'm still learning. I'm still a brand new YouTuber. This is just a quick clip of Oscar unboxing the huge box that came from Amazon. The furniture I got from Amazon is actually to replace this one I have right here. I got this on clearance in Michael's. It did me well for the time being. It was great and all, but it's like very cheaper quality. It didn't have wheels, as you guys could see here. It was just really inconvenient. Plus, I hated the plastic drawers. I felt like it always gets jammed all the time, so it's really not like efficient. So I'm hoping that we really like how this one comes out. Thankfully, this wasn't a package that came with so many different parts. I mean, it was pretty easy to follow. The instructions were great. They were step by step. And if you flip it over, they have a QR code there that you could scan and it could be like a video tutorial, which I thought was super convenient. And yes, friends, all tools were included as well. Alrighty guys, Oscar's finally done. This is a final review. Of course, very easy for me to move around my craft room since it has wheels. Amazing. So here she is. So this is what she looks like with these side tables down. These pop up if you want it, and they also fold down for easy storage, and we could tuck her away somewhere. Okay, so I made sure to bring down the camera so you can see the whole thing. Notice how I'm kind of moving it around. It is not heavy at all, so do not worry. This won't be a huge struggle for you to move around your craft room. But this is what she looks like. You see how she has two kind of like hanging drawers here. So when you're ready to work, I could actually put my HTV raw auto heat press, my Cricut machine right here. And of course here, very easily, I'm going to lift this up. And it has a locking mechanism here in the bottom. Let's do the other side. Simple as this, watch. Easy as that. This wonderful foldable table opens up to 3.5 feet. But trust me when I tell you, it gets better. Hold on. It also has two huge areas where we could put our crafting machines or any type of storage in there as well. Not only that, down here, you see these wavy little things. This is for you to put your vinyl rolls in there. So whether it's HTV, iron-on, permanent vinyl, I think it is so convenient. Alrighty, crafty friends, now hang out with me here as I start filling her up. But let's see how much things I can really put in here. Because as you all know, I have a very jam-packed craft room. I'm always looking for a better way to organize my craft room or make things more organized and looking better, so I won't have to go through so much trouble under my mess. But let's see what we could put in here. Let's go. Hold on. By the way, I have all of these beautiful, beautiful glitter HTV vinyls from TechCraft. If you guys haven't checked these out, please make sure to check out my other video. The colors are so beautiful. Alrighty, let's start filling in things. So I made sure to put my HTV raw auto cut press plus my easy press 2 from Cricut. It all fit in the second drawer. I have this like bundle of messy craft things I just shoved in the last one, and look how everything is fitting so nice. I have so many things on here. The sturdiness of these side tables as well is so amazing. It holds up to 40 pounds on each side, which is great, and it has two little openings here, so just in case you have any crafting machines, you could put the cords through there. So happy I found this on Amazon. Let me know what you think in the comments.